Are you curious about the stock market and how to make money from it? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the basics of the stock market and share some valuable tips on how to get started. So let's dive in. What is stock market? So what is the stock market? Simply put, the stock market is a platform where companies raise capital by issuing shares of stock to the public. These shares are then traded on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ. When you buy a share of stock, you essentially become a part owner of that company. And if the company does well, the value of your shares can increase. How to make money from stock market. Now let's talk about how to make money from the stock market. There are two main ways: capital appreciation and dividends. Capital appreciation occurs when the value of your shares increases over time. For example, if you buy a share of XYZ stock for $50 and it increases to $75, you can sell it for a profit. Dividends, on the other hand, are payments made by companies to their shareholders. For example, if you own shares of ABC stock, you may receive a quarterly dividend payment. Getting started with stock market. So how do you get started with the stock market? First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with a reputable online brokerage firm, such as Fidelity, Robinhood, or Vanguard. Next, you'll need to fund your account and start trading. You can start with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the process. And that's it. That's a basic overview of the stock market and how to make money from it. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk, but it can also be a great way to build wealth over time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.